how to hack your account back on Roblox. So if you want to hack your account back on Roblox, then first what you need to do is you just need simply go with your Roblox application, or you can also go with your browser. So go with browser and go with the login page. And even if you don't have an email verified to the account that you got hacked or the hacker changed the email, you are still able to get your Roblox account back. But if the mail on that account is still yours, and you have it verified, then you can just go over here quickly, which is forgot password or username. You can go over here and you'll be able to recover your account. You can choose your email or your phone number. So if you have your email or your phone number, then you can just enter your email or your phone number to recover your account. But I'm going to assume that most of you don't have the email verified on the account. So I'm just going to show you how you can do it even if the email is not in your account. First, you're going to go to roblox.com/support, and from here it will take you to contact us section. So you need to go with the month, date, and year of your date of birth. Go with continue and it will take you to the contact information. So here you need to enter the username and then the first name, your email address that you want to Roblox to email you back on, and then confirm your email address and go with your details, your issue details. You need to select the help type of help category, and then the description of the issue. You need to describe the issue that you're facing. That includes any relevant information like where the issue is occurring or the error message, and then you can go with continue, and after that your account might be back. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.